So here I have an example of static inner class. Static inner classes are the static members of outer classes, and the object of static inner classes can be created outside the outer class. You can create them, access them from anywhere, and you don't have to create the object of outer class. So in the beginning we saw nested inner classes. So the difference is nested inner classes are dependent on the outer class and they are not accessible directly outside without the object of outer class, but the object of static inner classes can be directly created outside the outer class without creating an object of outer class. So let us look at this. I have a class outer and I have two variables, data members, that is properties x and y. This is static, this is not static, non-static. Now I have an inner class and this is static class inner. So static means it's a static member. It can be directly accessed using the outer class name, that is the class name. And it is having one method display. And inside this, I am displaying x. So this is static, yes, allowed. And it's displaying y, no, not allowed. So one more thing we learn here, that static inner classes can access the members of outer class, but only static members they can access. It cannot access non-static member. So this y is a non-static member, it's not a static, so we cannot access non-static members. Now how about creating an object of this class? So this is the class, right? This is the class. So here I have a class called test and public static void main, and here I am creating an object, outer dot inner. So I have to use the reference of outer class, right? Use the name of the outer class because this is inside that outer class. I assign new outer dot inner. So directly just new outer dot inner. So I can create the object of this inner class and I can call its methods. So in the beginning we saw nested inner classes. The difference was like this. We wrote like this: I assign new outer, its constructor, then new inner. So it means we had to create the object of outer class, then only we can create the inner class. So two times we wrote new in nested inner classes, but here only one, new. So whose object is created? This inner class object is created. As it is inside the outer class, I have to write down the name of the outer class. So these static classes are more similar to nested inner classes only. Only the difference is they can be directly accessed outside the outer class, right? Just by using the outer class name. So these are static. We have to learn more about static in the coming videos. So there we will learn about the keyword static in detail and what are its role at various places. So that time again I will explain you about static inner classes. So that's all about the inner classes. We have learned various inner classes, that is nested inner class and local inner class and anonymous inner class and static inner class. So the next video is a demonstration of all this. Don't miss that video. That is the practical demonstration and it's very useful and very important for you to practice these programs. So that's all in this video.